According to this video series sponsor, there are 5 factors of car wash cleaning. Chemistry is one key factor. Find out why in this video.
This video is sponsored by National Car Wash Solutions, your car wash expert. Visit ncswash.com to learn more.
As noted in an article written by our series sponsor, there are 5 critical factors when cleaning a vehicle. These 5 factors are water quality, temperature, mechanical action, dwell time, and relating to this Car Wash Connection video series, chemistry. And while these 5 factors vary and are not equal at each individual car wash, when one is diminished, one or more of the other factors will need to be increased to obtain a clean, dry, and shiny vehicle. For this video, let's look specifically at chemistry. As noted by our sponsor, chemistry cleaning is the reaction between the solution and soils, and the ability of the solution to remove them. Alkaline products are cleaners with a pH over 7, and acidic cleaners are cleaners with a pH below 7. In general, alkaline cleaners have proven to be a top option in this market and can be used as standalone cleaners or in conjunction with acidic cleaners. In the final video of this series, we'll look at some of the leading contaminants and soiling that are common at car washes and which type of cleaners, whether it's alkaline, acidic, or solvent, are typically used. Regardless of the chemical type, cleaning chemistry is the reaction of the detergent solution with the soil to assist with its removal. The key to achieving a clean car is to use the right product or products at the proper concentrations for the current cleaning conditions. According to this video series sponsor, there are 2 primary detergent building blocks in determining the chemistry of a product. The builder portion determines if the product is an alkaline, neutral, or acidic. The surfactant/solvent portion provides other functionalities, such as reducing surface tension for better penetration. We'll put these chemical types to work in the next video. But remember, when it comes to this critical factor of car wash cleaning, few operators are educated chemists, so it's best to partner with a reputable chemical manufacturer with on-staff chemists, such as this video series sponsor. That's a wrap for now, but please stay tuned for our final video in this series. I'm Camille Renner, and thank you for watching.
This video is sponsored by National Car Wash Solutions, your car wash expert. Visit ncswash.com to learn more.